we're making a detour and see what we find.
The fire tower hasn't been in use since 1970. It was closed for many years and then reopened by volunteers just to allow people to come up and get a sense of what happened here during that time. That this is the second tower that was built. This tower was built in 1961, and then they switched.
Okay.
And they
I was wondering how historic this one was, like how old it was.
Yeah, 1961 was when it was built, and then they only used it for a few years until about 1970, and that's when they started using aerial spotting airplanes, and then now they use a combination of both airplanes, helicopters, and even satellites.
All right, we're at Deadman's Tower,
That's exactly right.
Colorado, and
Right.
you are
I'm Kevin.
Kevin
Yeah, and this is my son Leo.
and Leo. How we doing?
So
All right.
this thing I was about to show you here,
Okay.
the way it would work is that this is us right here. So let's imagine that we saw a fire in this location and we sighted it on the firefinder.
Okay.
Then we could line up, and then this tower would see the same fire, and then this tower would see the same fire, and we'd be able to locate where the location of that fire was pretty much exactly.
Just by looking through here.
So we would sight on the fire here. You would basically look through this hole, just like you would the sight on a rifle.
Okay.
And you would figure out, where you're looking, and you'd see right along here, where's the pillar of smoke coming up.
Okay.
You could, in fact, if it was a wider fire, you could line up on one edge of that fire, and then make your notations and line it up on the other edge of the fire, and see the size of the fire
Nice.
for doing all that. And you can see quite a great area here. So you can see all these lakes over here is Red Feather Lakes.
Okay.
Just beyond this pointy peak over here, there's a couple lakes pointing up. That's Crystal Lakes. Over here would be Cherokee Park.
Okay.
Off in the distance, way over here, you can see a road, and it's kind of shadowy under the clouds, but off in the distance there would be Laramie, Wyoming. You can, if you look carefully, far off, you can see a white dot on top of the mountain way over there. That is the Jalm Observatory, which is in that picture right there in Wyoming.
Okay. That way out there.
Yep. Following in here, in between the green 4 area, and then off in the distance would be the Rawal Wilderness. And then back over in here, you see Comanche Peaks. And then Trailbridge Road would be kind of straight that way off in Rocky Mountain National Park. Do you see that pillar kind of poking out of the bushes there? That was one of the bases. And that was a log tower.
Okay.
Walking up to the original Deadman's fire tower.
That was built in 1938 by the CCC, the Civilian Conservation Corps.
Yep, right here's the...
Yep. Here they are. Pretty good spot too.
What's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron, and your name?
Audrey.
And where are you guys from?
Colorado.
Is this your first time up here?
No.
No?
Well, to the fire tower, but
Okay, first time to the Power Tower? Did you like climbing it?
it was
But also
a
when
lot
I
of
went,
stairs
also,
and windy.
Also when I went down, I was a little scared.
Little scared? That is pretty scary up there, but it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you next week.